For you, here's what I would like for you to do.
Okay.
I want you to really practice when you set up. Just hit some balls like this, and maybe do like 4 or 5 balls like this.
Okay.
And then you can hit 1 or 2 normal, and then 4 or 5. So do this when you're practicing. And the other thing that you could even do is when you set that up to hit a ball. Okay, you get it when you set up that ball. You could even set up a ball a little out to the right there.
Yep.
And make it feel like you're swinging to that ball.
Okay.
Okay, but hit this one.
Okay.
And then that way you can really make sure you release it. Because when you're going this way,
yep,
if you really release it hard, it's going really left then.
Right.
Okay?
Yep.
Whereas, and that's where that solid feel comes. But when you get here, if you can just really release it and swing it down the right target line, then which will be actually right of the target line.
Yep.
Okay, then you're going to hit much more solid shots, much higher, much straighter.
Beautiful.
There's your consistency that we were talking about earlier.
Okay, and when I get it down, then I will continue to swing out to the right. Is that correct?
Well, yeah, and actually you might get to a point where you get so good at it, doing it often enough, you might be doing too much of that, so you might not have to try. You might end up starting to swing to, instead of right field or first base, you might swing to second base.
Got it.
Okay?
Yep.
So if you start seeing that all your shots are ending up out to the right, because the more you practice this, the better you'll get at it.
Gotcha.
Okay? You'll be able to actually start doing it.
Yep.
Make sense?
It does.
Okay, so to sum that up, practice.
Yep.
4 or 5, just hitting those shots like that.
Yep.
Okay, and then do 1 or 2 normal. 4 or 5 with the drill.
Right.
Hitting it out to the right. Okay, and then 1 or 2 normal. All right?
Yeah.
Same
Over
with
and
the
over like
driver?
that.
Thank you.
All right?
Same with the driver?
Same with the driver. You can do it with any club.